Hello and welcome to my channel. On today's video I will show you how to replace the fuel primer on a Stihl FS550. It's a very important part to change because obviously over the time, over the years, it can crack. A little bit of air can come in, so obviously the machine won't start properly, and obviously if there's a fuel leak you've got a risk of fire. Okay, so let me show you now how to change it. To have access, we will remove the air filter. So we unscrew this and we'll remove it, and then we'll have a full access to it. That's it. Before to remove the fuel pump, make sure you close the carburetor. That way, in case it's a bit dirty, you will have less chance of a dirt going inside. Okay. Now to remove the fuel pump, you see we're not gonna pull the fuel lines directly like that because you may break them. We see that little thing here. We're just gonna press it and unclip the fuel pump like so. You see, once it's out, now we can retain those lines and take it out. You see, very easy. Obviously I will place the new fuel pump part on the video, so like that if you need to buy one you will know how to do it. Before to mount back the new one, just verify that all these are in good state, that there's no rips or anything, okay, that it can't leak. Now we're gonna place it back. You see we've got a long one here and we've got a short one. So the long one goes on the green one. So we place it, we place the green, we connect it onto the long one, you see. Now we place it inside. As being new, it might be a bit more difficult to fit in, but that's it, now it's done. And now we fit the black one, like so. Perfect. Okay, make sure all is well connected. You try it. We can see it work. That's perfect. Obviously it will not pump fuel because the machine being like that, it's a bit more difficult. So that's it, it's now done. Very easy. Now we just place back the air filter on it, we close it, and we're done. That's it, my friend. I hope that video has been useful to you. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care of yourself.